Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make seafood risotto and Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, of course, you need to get the seafood risotto recipe in Heartopia. You can get the recipe from Masimo after you unlock level 3 in your cooking hobby. And let me show you my level. Okay, I'm level 3 in my cooking hobby. Once you unlock the level 3, you can immediately go to Masimo and buy the recipe and go to your stuff. And I'm going to make seafood risotto. Okay, you will need fish and wheat and also tomatoes. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Actually, you can change the ingredients according to the fish that you have. Okay, and I'm just using the belt fish. Okay, one more time. Don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid the bizarre food. Alright. Okay, I just cooked the seafood risotto. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the seafood risotto and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.